Hello students, this is Abhishek Sharma and today we are going to learn a very important topic of chemistry, chemical bonding and structure of atoms of class 11th. Now, as you heard chemical bonding, so first you should know what is the bond and why it forms. Why do atom combines? Atoms जो आपके होते हैं वो कंबाइन क्यों करते हैं? टू फॉर्म बॉन्ड्स बनाने के लिए। इसीलिए आपको पहले पढ़ना पड़ेगा कि बॉन्ड्स बनते कैसे हैं। ठीक है ना? एक एटम अगर बॉन्ड बनाता है तो क्यों बनाता है? वाई वाई एन एटम रिक्वायर्स टू फॉर्म अ बॉन्ड? वाई आर ओनली सर्टेन कॉम्बिनेशन पॉसिबल? दैट मीन्स कि आपके एटम्स हर तरीके से कंबाइन नहीं हो सकते। देयर शुड बी सर्टेन रूल्स टू फॉलो. And why do molecule possess definite shape? That means आपके जितने भी molecules हैं they have a definite shapes. Okay, for this purpose to solve these questions we have some theories like first we have Cauchy-Lewis theory, then valence shell electron pair repulsion theory VSEPR, Vesper theory, valence bond theory VBT, and at last we have molecular orbital theory. We will discuss each one by one now. So what is the structure of atom? As you know that we have an atom, it has a nucleus and the electrons revolve around that nucleus. We know that already. Okay, now we will see why how does an atom becomes stable? How does it get stability? By it's lowering its energy. Okay, the so first we have Cauchy-Lewis approach. In this approach, atoms achieve the stable octet. Octet means the outer shell has have at least 8 electrons. Have at most 8 electrons. That means there should be 8 electrons in the outermost shell of an atom to become stable. They are linked by chemical bonds. That means two atoms are linked by chemical bonds uh, to become more stable. Okay, now just as we have sodium atom, it has 11 electrons. Total number of electrons are 11. So the outermost electron has one, outermost shell has one electron, and there should be 8 electrons to become more stable. So in the Na plus sodium ion we have 8 electrons in the outermost shell. The outermost shell electrons are known as valence shell electrons. In the chlorine we have the atomic number is 17, so we have total number of 17 electrons, and in this we have 2 8 7. So the outermost shell has 7 electrons, but the Cl minus has 288. That means 8 electrons in the outermost shell. So it follows the octet rule for become more stable. So the Na plus and chlorine minus combine together to form NaCl molecule. Okay, now we will see what is what whereas in chlorine molecule Cl2H2F2, the bond is formed by sharing a pair of electrons between them. That means the molecules which don't have ions, they are formed by sharing of electrons, pair of electrons. Okay, now we'll discuss what are the Lewis symbols. In formation of molecule, only the outer shell electrons takes place. I have told you earlier that when two ions or two molecules are combined, they they share they share the valence electrons, the outermost shell electrons. Okay, we will discuss few more concepts in the next video.